washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
Morning, guys. We'll watch the messy room. Getting the kids. Okay, see something from there. Getting the kids ready. Oh, so your teeth, oh gosh, okay. You block your teeth, man. You block your breastfeeding. You know, YouTube is striking. Just like it.
Strong. She loves it.
Yeah? You used to milk a pump?
But she can handle a little better than boys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you're not mostly not coughing up, she will take it. Yeah. She loves the milk.
Okay.
I love my milk as well. So I'm gonna have to spend other money on formula. It'd be a palm oil tonight. Well, I'm not bash nobody because some women cannot have milk and you can't do nothing about it other than you're not gonna leave your child to start, right? But if you can, try your best, pump it out, stimulate your breast. Don't just leave child for your formula and say, alright, formula dear, so you're not necessary. You are very necessary, no? Yeah, try to stimulate your breast, try to pump, try your best.
Okay, so yeah, me over here press some clothes, press them uniform. Nobody in the new uniform, you know. Cause them get them the final term, me gone and still a fit. Me know, wear style everybody. First day of school picking in a new uniform and the whole works. No. From uniform can fit and it clean, I hit them a rock. Maybe a January 4th, and them boy getting a new one. So yeah, so go wake them up. Wake them up soon, head out to school.
See the guys ironing board.
Yeah, no more bed. At least you save the mattress.
And we'll save your back too. Especially you. Me alright because I'm short, so pressing on the bed is not so complicated for me. But overall, I must bend.
And imagine you did it for the last 2 years.
But you don't really press olive. Not like we press our laundry every. Yeah. But you know, some people press even them panty, them press. Yeah, what I do, press my panty too. But you know, just press basic stuff, and we don't press for a week. We just press when we go somewhere. We press so we look presentable. Yeah, but you see, my mother, she'll go throw all her laundry basket and start press one by one everything. Yeah, that's my mother. Yeah, and I'm have to put in them cupboard everything well neat. So
you press one uniform, put them away today, and you press them on tomorrow. Even though some people say it burn more current like that, which me not understand.
What burns?
Them say when you use iron every morning, it burn more than if you press everything one time.
Oh, maybe that.
At the same time, the iron at the same time.
Yeah, I know. I can't tell you. So today, kids, orientation day. Okay. And they have to wear uniform?
And here we are going to the new term and
yeah.
Ask some questions.
And here about teachers, cause them say a lot of teachers quit.
Yeah, come here to work for teachers.
So let's see.
Yeah, I know last year the news got a teacher.
Right.
So I hope that the teacher is a really good teacher and Daniel have a good teacher. So far all the teachers we meet at school really good, so
right.
Especially the one that we were going to the class and I really like them teaching it. Last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today I first gave Mila a bath after today Day number 5, she with us?
6.
6?
Tomorrow going to send one.
Yeah, cause she has still the card. How them call it? Obliwa?
Umbilical.
Umbilical?
What's that again? Umbilical.
I have no idea, but I can tell you in Russian.
Umbilical card.
Umbilical. Umbilical card.
Google card. I just phone speak last time.
Even though pediatrician, she said it's okay to be a baby and you don't have to boil the water. It's like an old style. Nothing will happen to the baby. Just make sure.
Umbilical card.
Yeah, she still has the card on her. It didn't drop out. Huh? That's what she said. But me kinda, I was like, I don't know, maybe it's a new style, new school, new way. So we in our country we believe it have to drop out first. So I never really wanted to be there first days. So when we came out of the hospital, so today a 6th day, I decided to give a little wipe out with wet cloth. Yeah, I was sitting in the shower and like I turn on the water, but not shower water, like I mean just turn on the pipe. Yeah man, low pipe, and wet the cloth and wipe her. Tried to avoid the area with the card, and it went so nice. She liked it though. She liked it, and her hair is super curly now. I washed her hair because when she came out of the hospital, her hair was kind of straight, but right now super curly. Let me show you. Where's Mila? Tam. Yeah, see that hair? Yeah, kinda looks curlish and cute. She doesn't have a lot of hair like boys had when they were born. Yeah, that's the thing about.
Ball spot. Now to the front of your hair low, and you make it low, lady, all them hair the cover.
Oh, true.
Just a girl thing.
Yeah, like she has a less hair in the middle of her head.
On the front.
Yeah, on the front. Yeah, I know. Well, maybe she came out a little bit earlier. Maybe that's the reason. But she's not premature. She's not premature. Would be a funny doctor estimation. Would I give birth on 31st? But I don't think the hair could have grown so fast. Like uncover all her head. I don't know how it goes with the hair. Maybe she's just a girl, so she has her own hair, you know. Maybe girls, they develop different hair, because Daniel, Leo, even Lionel, he had one brow in the middle on his face when he was born.
That's what you want.
Yeah, and a lot of hair. Nurses in shock. But Mila is a girl. She's tinier and she has less hair. Yeah, she's a princess. So yeah, we're doing good. We're surviving. Yeah. Well, I try not to push Errol in the night because I need his help in the daytime. And I always tell Errol, save your energy because I need you in the daytime. I need your energy in the daytime, so sleep when I'm up in the night. But
I'm wake up every time.
yeah.
Come on, I feel like send me you alone.
Yeah, man. So far, Mila wakes up like 3-4 times in the night to eat breast. And then she goes back to sleep, so why would I wake up Errol for that? I mean, sometimes I have to cuddle her a little bit, but when she goes back, she's okay, she's peaceful little baby, so yeah, Errol can rest and help me in the daytime. That's the thing, because we have 2 boys to take care as well, and they might not understand the pressure, the whole amount of pressure, so they still give you work. We still have to feed them, we still have to do a lot of stuff like bathe them and
Go play with them outside.
yeah, play with them outside, because you don't want to leave them just playing PlayStation for all day.
I feel like say,
That's what they want. Yeah. Because they're smart. They're ready to take advantage of it. I want you. You burn a finger?
And just hot.
Eh?
Yeah, them don't mind me running with me like.
Yeah. Them don't mind. When I close the door, they don't even knock the door. They just stay in the living room and play PlayStation. Yeah. Yeah.
Like the shoes, eh?
You good?
No, lace, come. No, let's check it so you guys can take it out and find yourself.
You need to tell them to stop hit the wall with shoes.
That was the layout in case. Lace, was that? You still take it out with the shoes? Alright. I told you not play football.
Take care of your things, guys. Take care of your clothes. Take care of your shoes.
It's like a...
Right. Kick the ball, but don't kick the wall. Wall is not for kick. Yeah?
Put your foot and pull the strap like that. Easy. Wow.
Nice. New shoes, new year. Sharp. Nani, ну-ка покажись. The snap their picture, yeah, Errol? Ready for the new school year? Remember a big trophy? Dalio. Don't give up. Right.
If you get good in your school work, you get these.
We're gonna beat the hard.
You have to come first and get good in it, right? And get a lot of these to buy all your skills.
I have to, I'm gonna race again next I'll get beat.
Yeah, if you race again in the race at school, you get these. And if you're good in schoolwork, you get biggest views. Okay?
But when you get second, you only get one view.
But I'm talking about the schoolwork, not running from schoolwork. Mathematics, phonics, spelling, and we good. In school, if you don't get good schoolwork and you're in the race, you're not going to get good views. Schoolwork first. Schoolwork number one, yeah? Okay. Let's go, guys.
You gone?
Gotta go with it.
But if I
Hey
get
guys, I'm heading out. What if you get out? Yeah, sorry about to leave out. Hey, Sags.
Take some cold water for them.
Oh, yeah, check out two snacks for them too.
And some snacks.
Yeah, I get some snacks and cup. Achoo. Them say 1 hour, but nothing last one.
No, don't walk in your shoes.
Lay down the shoes new. Come lay down, come. Go for the snacks. Let me buy water out again. Go on.
Yeah.
Go take snacks. New shoes can't go in the house. Mommy matter. Some of you carrying cherry? Bring in cherry? Should I take cherry inside? I'll leave her out there, cherry like she loves. Right? Some of the subscribers say Earl put her somewhere high. So I put her somewhere high and she see him. I'm gonna start taking her out every day now, so Cherry still just love running from people. Cherry, hold on. Hey!
it's not our school bag.
No, you don't need no school bag today. It's orientation. You don't need any school bag. Just need snacks. No, you're just gonna meet teacher, that's all.
What?
Alright, you're just gonna meet teacher. You're just gonna say hello to teacher and meet your friends. Maybe you'll have some new friends at school, and that's about it.
It's not the same friend.
Some of them are the same, and you might have new ones. Alright? Alright, guys. Yeah, guys, we're here getting swaggy or a meal. You know, come to the camera, my youth. Yeah, so we get some KFC. What these boys want? They want? You guys want pizza? Yeah, so waiting on the KFC. Yeah, guys, so stop, forget mommy, whatever this is. Orientation was good. Lionel don't have the same teacher though. Boy, the teacher them really quit. Miss, I forget, how's your name? Miss Paisley? That's her name? Miss Paisley? Miss Paisley? We're gonna miss you. We're not gonna lie. Just find out today that Miss Paisley is not back at school, and I was looking forward to Miss teaching Leah because I saw what she did with one of my students in football. James, big up yourself. Miss Paisley, if somebody knows Miss Paisley, tell her, say, please come back. boy, I just feel away. It's like me I realize if you have no good teachers, not saying that you won't have a good teacher, but it's gonna affect our society if all the good teachers keep going away. Government, please start assisting the teachers with giving them what they want. And not honestly, you know, the teachers them just want to survive. You see, I can tell you first, and in Jamaica, it's not easy with these wages that they are paying people. You give people basket for carry water. Yeah, and if you do that, people can find a solution, better ways to survive. So if they get better pay overseas, they're gonna leave. Yeah, so please, I tell them, it's not good. When you can't call the teacher name and later reach the class, you must know. So yeah guys, I go home now. People have been recommending something. What's in the box, guys? Hey, you're crazy? The baby asleep. I'm too excited in the mic.
What is this? Baby balls.
What's in the bag? You got a bus. Plastic. You got Christmas? Open. You can't open the bag?
Oh, almost Christmas.
Let mommy open the bag too. Give mommy the bag. Let's make her open the bag. Careful. Mommy open the bag. What's in the bag?
Helmet.
Yeah, so now they can't ride. So guys, today we're taking Ronaldo, teaching him to ride.
Spider-Man one, I buy it.
No, we didn't get the Spider-Man one. We took off his baby wheels, so today's gonna be his first day riding without baby wheels. That's Ronaldo. It should have the knee pad and the ankle pad, you know. In there? Alright, so I'm gonna get them dressed.
What's helmet?
You never knew nothing. Let's go.
What's this?
For your knee and ankle. Come. Let me put them on. Sleep.
That's just boring. I don't need more.
What?
I don't need more.
No, you need it.
I'll
See,
put on that.
look at you.
No, this is.
I'm gonna make it. No, I can pick it. Come here.
Wait.
Come here. Come here, let me tell you. Come here. Oh.
Double protection, look how.
Could I use that kind of?
Top of the rest. Yeah, this feeling like top of the rest. But now Papa is smart. See that?
Yeah.
Hey, you, that's right.
The helmet looks kind of strange, don't it?
But that looks funny.
Funny.
Like a mushroom.
Yeah,
boy, mushroom. Choco
You want
boy.
to jump on that?
Mushroom.
Never
Remember you had choco boys? Shaped like mushrooms?
And if you listen, if you're not,
Yeah.
if you're not when you
Super Leah.
especially you, when I'm the do the babies now. You don't have any more babies now. If you drop them in the
You sure that's the right side of how you need to put it on?
yeah, turn on.
I don't think so. No.
Yeah, see, put it in the back there.
Oh yeah? What else that
Turn on.
behind?
Relax, go for it. Come here. I'm going to stop playing with it.
Yeah, can I vacuum that?
See. What else? What is that? You protect your head back. You don't head. I don't know.
Oh, you can probably regulate it from behind as well. Yeah, make it more tighter or make it more.
Yeah, you should
I don't squeeze it.
That's the number one important thing.
Why do I ride with this? Let's practice.
So, hey, why not put in slippers? You can wear these slippers? Oh, the ones are these slippers. I think. No slippers. What else? Danny, put on strap slippers. Danny, put on that strap slippers. Yeah, right.
Me?
Yeah, alright.
Look at this so hard to wear this.
Yeah, and listen, Leah, you need to push the bicycle down the hill, alright? I see you think, Ronaldo. Come push the bicycle down the hill.
Down?
Push it down the hill, don't want you ride down the hill. Because we're only on the baby wheel. Yeah. We're only on the baby wheel, so we have to push the bicycle. I help him push it. Yeah, help him till we get to the flat. Yeah, Ronaldo said, how is he going to ride it 2 wheels?
Are you gonna
Oh,
ride?
go.
But can I try it on you?
No. You're gonna try. You can try that.
You can try mine.
Come, let's go another.
You can try mine.
No, come.
It's just you have to ride fast so you
Yeah.
cannot drop.
You pedal that.
Don't worry. Because see when I'm pedaling fast it just
Right, this is a record. Did it one time, Mr. Let me go? Yeah. Hey. So, hey guys, I let him go one time. Ronaldo need more practice. For sure. Ronaldo, good job. We have to go do some more practice, alright? No, we're gonna have to make another practice some more. No, Mom said you have to come back home. You have to watch Mila. So, me go and practice some more off camera, okay? Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. So remember, you can get your books on Amazon. This is our book, Life with the Stevens, Finding Financial Independence. Just search Life with the Stevens or Era Stevens and you can find my autobiography on Amazon as well. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in booking our Airbnbs in Portmore and in Ocho. So thanks again for watching, take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.